Do you remember the COVID-19 case that hit us for more than 3 years? The number of workers who had to be laid off forcibly until finally hampered the Indonesian economy? But on the other hand, Indonesia is also choose to be host of G20 event, which is proof that Indonesia is one of the biggest influence in the world economy. Indonesia has also good resilience during the crisis, and all of this because the investment. The integration of investment system is our challenge in this case study. Through the design thinking process, here is our solution for SeaBank.
In accordance with the design thinking process, we started our design by empathizing, such as analyzing problems, making work plans, and brainstorming.
From the case given, we conducted desk research and interviews to enrich our findings. And it is true, the reason people do not start investing are because they do not understand, do not dare, and do not believe. Next is the define process. We created personas and performed competitor analysis to find out the advantages and disadvantages of existing investment apps. Until finally, we continue to the Ideate process. The provision of simulation, a bot advisor named SeaBot, and workshops are our solution for the first problem. Providing risk assessment is the second solution. And choosing the type of investment, namely mutual funds and gold, as well as promoting with SeaBank partner, namely Shopee, is the third solution. Mutual funds and gold are the safest choices for those who want to save.
To visualize our solution, here are the results. This is our solution to increase awareness and financial knowledge of the Indonesian people, and this is our solution for Indonesia Design Challenge 2022.